What's good, guys? Today is Sunday on the 22nd, another week, and I did not really take any trade this week, but I'm going to go to talk about the two trades that blew my 2K Marvin account. That was from last week. From last week Monday, that was on the night. I took this trade that on Monday on gold that hit my stop loss. This was a silver bullet trade. After the fair value gap was formed, I set my buy entry only for the price to tap me in and then hit stop loss after a while. So that was the first trade that took me into drawdown on the 2K account. So then the second trade I took, I think, second trade was actually on that same day. The same second trade that hit stop loss on gold that day was just a few minutes after the stop loss. That was when I entered that second trade that hit stop loss. I'm not sure what happened at the ball. It was actually 3 trades. The first one, stop loss, is the second one on that same day that hit stop loss, this one, this second trade, and then back-to-back losses on gold. And the third one was on the 11th. After those 3 days, I just stopped. I just take a break for a whole week from there. On 11, that was on Wednesday. This gold trade again, it was around that same time. Another silver bullet trade tapped me in, and I was hoping it would just fly up from there, just coming down till it make this line, this downward trend, till it to my stop loss from there. So that was just it. Just thought I should just take a break from there. From last week Monday, I'll not be able to. I don't even open my chart to even check anything, to try to analyze anything. Just think it would be better if I go on a break. I still have the 10K accounts I'm trading from funding traders. So that's the 10K account. That one is also in drawdown. It's also in drawdown, around $250 drawdown on that account. So that's just it. So from next week, all because of the crazy things that will be happening, the war and everything, just price is just moving crazy. I think that's what's causing the range. But I don't even check the charts this week, so I don't even know what's happening. From tomorrow, I'm going to be back on the chart to try to see if I can see an entry to try to trade this account, 10K account. This is it. That's just it. I'll catch you guys later.